And without much further ado, let's go to the topic. So we will talk about the functions, features, materials that were used, and the design of the project. So I'll just show you the video and explain throughout it. So what does it do? So just like any other dispenser, it vacuums the drink from the container as an input and dispenses the drink into a glass or any kind of container as an output. Also, it has this feature that before it comes to a full stop at dispensing, it gives off warning through blinking red and blue lights. So when the water reaches the maximum level, it then stops dispensing and would only display red light. And if you look at its LCD display, it would say the cup is full. Now, if you remove the glass, the red light turns off and it would display no cup detected. Another thing is when you put back the glass that is full inside, it would not dispense at all. So that's it. Let's talk about the materials. So the materials that we used are an ultrasonic sensor, a 4-channel relay module, an Arduino Uno R3, a breadboard with bunch of jumper wires, 2 pieces of tubes, 16x2 serial LCD with I2C. So the Arduino is where you upload the code that would serve as the command to the other parts' tasks. The breadboard will serve as a circuit board. The ultrasonic sensor detects object and its distance by giving off ultrasonic waves. The relay module serves as the switches that controls the opening and closing contacts in another circuit. The LCD display with I2C serves as the display of the device, and the I2C makes it easier to find the connection. At the back, we have the DC 12-volt air pump, which is responsible for the dispensing mechanism. And we have another ultrasonic sensor at the back for glass detection. Lastly, we used an external power supply for the components that exceeds 5 volts supply from the Arduino. Here is the Arduino and the breadboard. First, we need to create a connection for power. Next, connect the triggers and echoes of both sensors and connect it to the board for power. Next, the LCD. Connect the VCC to the positive charge and ground to the negative charge. Then, SCL to A4 and SCA to A5. Next is the relay module. Connect the positive and negative. Connect channel 4 to Arduino for the motor connection and channel 3 for the red lights and red bulb indicator or red LED indicator. Next, the motor and air pump, the power supply, and the 3 LED strips, red, blue, and green lights. So, in here, create connection for channel 4 and 3 in the common connection. Then connect the normally closed connection to the positive slot of the motor and another to the positive blue LED light. Then connect the red LED to the normally closed slot of channel 3 and common connection will be connected to the positive of the external power supply. Next, connect the positive of the green light to the power supply, and lastly the negative of the green light and the motor to the power supply. So the logic of this is when the glass detector detects the glass, it sends signal to the Arduino and then send it to the relay module channel 4, and then it switches to the connection where the motor and the blue LED light is. And then when the water level sensor detects the water level, it then sends signals to the Arduino and then send it to the relay module channel 4, and then it switches to the connection it has to the channel 3. That's why the red LED light will turn on. If the glass detector could not sense any glass, then it would turn everything off. So that would be all, guys, and before this video ends, let me give a shout out to Peter Montenegro, Aljun Calay, Jhoey Dumaguit, and Errol Catague. There are my group mates in this project, so thank you for watching and I hope you understand. So bye!